Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the Text tab in Explain 4.0. In the previous video I showed you how to add text to your project, so I'd encourage you to watch this tutorial. So I've got a project open here. It's the same project that we've been using during this course. In the first scene, I've got a text element with a sketch by hand animation. In the Text tab, you have several options to edit and format text. In this box is where you edit the text itself. Down below, you have text formatting options. Under Font Family, you can change the font. Under Font Style, it will depend on the font family. For example, for the Anton font, there are no options. But if I change the font to Arimo, for example, you'll notice that there are several options like bold, italics, etc. Let me change it back to the Anton font. The text color box allows you to change the color with presets, as well as use the hex color code. Using this drop-down, you can change the font size, and under Font Effects, you have several options like Light Bloom, Strong Shadow, White Clone, and a few others. The Transparency slider allows you to change the transparency of the text like so. The Draw Fill Text checkbox is for sketch animations. So when the box is checked, it will only sketch the text outline like so. And if I check the box again, it will sketch the solid text like so. The Sketch Backwards box is for languages like Hebrew and Arabic. And if I check the box, you'll see that the text sketches from right to left. And these three buttons are for text alignment, like left, center, and right alignment. The Import Font button allows you to import custom fonts, and I've created a separate tutorial for it. It's the same as the Import button in the menu bar up top. The Change Position button opens the canvas and allows you to change the position of the text. Also in this section, you'll notice similar text editing and formatting options like you see in the Text tab. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.